Good? Is it on? We're rolling? Alright, hey, hi. I haven't made a video in a little bit, but we're making ramen today. Let's get into it. So over here, we got like pork. I made pork. Basically what I did is I season it just like I do a steak. Salt, pepper, garlic. You can use garlic cloves, that's fine. Garlic powder is also good too. Also, if you want to put onion powder in it, go for it. But what I do is I get that pan pretty hot, put some butter in it, then I put the cut up pieces of pork into it. This is pork butt specifically. It's cheap meat. College students, we're broke. We don't got a lot of money, so that's what we use for protein. And then we're gonna come over here and start boiling some water. It's not boiling yet, but we're getting there. But what we can do, why it's getting ready to start getting hot, throw some salt in it, help start boiling. I don't know if this actually does anything. I know it helps like noodles and stuff not get stuck to like the bowl, but I've also heard it makes it to where it starts to boil faster. I don't know, man. I'm not a scientist. I'm just here to cook, man. All right, but what we're doing with the water is obviously for our ramen noodles. But what we're gonna do, get a few eggs. There's gonna be 3 of us here eating ramen noodles. We're gonna get 3 eggs. And it's basically gonna like kind of soft boil them, I think it's called. It's basically where we boil it for 6 minutes. I usually go for 5 when I have it on like boiling constantly. Like drop those in there, have it boiling constantly for 6 minutes. That's what most people do. I like it for 5 because I like a softer inside. So what we're going to use, it depends on whatever you want to do. I like spicy beef, but we don't have that. We got chicken and beef. Which one do you want, Trevor?
Chicken!
All right, Trevor wants chicken. So we got beef and chicken. So we're gonna wait for that water to get boiling. Then we'll drop the eggs in for 5 minutes and let it, do its thing. All right, one other thing I forgot to do. We gotta make an ice bath for our eggs. So we're gonna go in here, get a little bit of ice. About that much will do. We're just gonna fill it with water. You can use a bowl, you can use a cup. Use a cup, it's easy. Easy cleanup and stuff like that. Just gonna fill it up, just like, just like ice and water. It's just an ice bath. It's gonna make the egg cool down quicker and make it easier to peel. And then we also, over here, we're getting a little fancy. We got some green onions, picked up from the store today. It was on sale at Walmart, so decided to get a few. Take that rubber band off. Peel all that stuff off, get it off. We don't need all that crap. Basically what we're gonna do is just chop it up a little bit. So I make a cut, get all like the nasty ends off, just like the ends off. I don't know if I really want to use this, but we're just gonna cut a little bit of that. I think that'll be enough right there for all 3 of us. I don't think we need a lot, but yeah. And I'll actually get one of those rubber bands back so I can tie this up again. And that will be going on top. Adds a little bit more flavor to it, But yeah, you cut it right there. Moisture in that heat to let the noodles soften up. Because after we're done boiling those eggs, we're gonna put the water in there, and that's what's gonna cook it. And that's why I like these cups, because they're a lot easier. I don't have to get another pot out and start boiling everything. I don't know, I just prefer this. It's a nice method. but you know, do whatever makes you happy. I'm not your dad, okay? I'm not your daddy. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. Make your own decisions. You're grown. You are grown.
Somebody's outside.
Is anybody out there?
Somebody's outside.
Who are they?
Somebody's outside.
Who is that? Who is that?
I don't know who's out there or what's out there. But they better leave my house alone.
Tired of these dang hooligans ding dong ditching my house. It's done. So we're quickly gonna turn that off. Get these eggs out of here. Seems we had a little bit of failure because it cracked open. It's either my bad or it was already cracked, I don't know. I hardly ever make mistakes though, so it's probably already cracked. Put that in there. The perfect amount of water, almost at the rim of it, and we're gonna let that set for a little bit. And while we have this water boiling, we're gonna bring back our cups over here that we recently prepped beforehand. This is a very tedious process, you know what I mean? It's a professional cooking show. So what we do, take that off the burner, we fill it. There's a little line on the inside of the cup. We fill it to that line. Kind of went over because I'm blind. That's okay. We're gonna put our chopsticks on top of that. We're gonna do the same thing again. Can't see when you put it in my face. I can't see. Quit. That's warm. It's hot. I'm gonna put a little bit more in. There we go. Got it to that line. Beautiful, perfect. Now we're gonna put our other chopsticks on it just like that, so it can keep that lid down and keep that heat on. And now that we're done with this, we can just pour this down the sink. All that hot water will help to clear the drain. Don't show my sink. It's like dirty, bro. It's like fucking. Quit, dude. It's like dirty right there. I haven't cleaned the dishes yet. All right. So now we wait for about 3-4 minutes for those noodles to cook inside. I'm not gonna set a timer because I'm just gonna feel it out. You know, you really gotta feel all the time when you're cooking. You know, it's a game of figuring out stuff. You know, that's how you cook. Don't listen to Gordon Ramsay. Make sure to have don't measure at all. Measure with the heart. When you're adding spices and stuff in, just kind of add it in there and be like, that looks good. Stir it up, taste it. If it's raw chicken, don't do that though, unless you want to. I wouldn't recommend it though. It's kind of bad for you. But yeah, no, this is it's getting carried away a little bit.
Gordon Ramsay fucked my wife.
So we've been letting our eggs sit in the ice bath for a little bit. So we're gonna pour the water and ice out. You don't have to do this, it's just easier to get these eggs out. And we're gonna use 2 good eggs. And we're just gonna kind of crack these bad boys open a little bit. I saw this thing on YouTube where it was like they use a spoon to scoop it out, but I think that's stupid. Just kind of like crack that bad boy around, you know what I mean? You're gonna crack it open a little bit, right? You're just gonna fiddle it, just put your thumb in it. Don't be afraid. You just took the life of a baby chicken anyways. I don't know why you'd be afraid of, cracking that bad boy open. If you're willing to take the life of a baby chicken, you're willing to peel its, its shell skin off by hand. Be a man, you know what I mean? We're just gonna do this. Maybe they were right about the spoon thing. I'm not too sure. But I think it's working out just dandy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, this egg kind of looks ugly. But that's fine. We'll blame it on the mother hen. Oh Oh God. Oh no. Beautiful. Look at that masterpiece right there. That's a beautiful egg.
Looks like shit.
Fuck you. All right. We're going to put that in there like that. You can see how it's not really cooked in there and it'll just fall out. We want that. We like it runny. We like it runny. We like it runny. All right, so our noodles are most likely done. So I'm gonna take this bad boy over here and we're just gonna build that bad boy up a little bit. Look at that. Beautiful. We're just gonna kind of like stir it up a little bit. You know, get it nice and right. Here's what we're going to do. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there like that. I'm gonna pour that bad boy in there like that. Set that to the side. Now we can throw this stuff away because we don't need it anymore. Always throw away your trash. Yeah, don't leave your kitchen in a mess. Don't leave it in a mess. There we go. Now what we're also gonna do is we're gonna get some pieces of pork. And I love pork in my ramen. That's like some of my favorite stuff. I love this kind of pork, dude. This is good pork. It's also how you season it. It's cheap. It's tasty. It's delicious. But it's also because I'm cooking it. Because I'm a really good cook. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna like throw it in there, you know, all willy-nilly like, and then we're just gonna good pork. We're just gonna take some of that, all that, and we're just gonna whoop right in there, and boom. There's your, like, you know, ramen, man. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna kind of stir it up. We kind of want to take this and open that up. We want to open that up, get it stirred around in there. You know what I mean? We really want to get the full effect. I don't care if it looks pretty. All I'm really looking for is the taste. I want it to taste good. Also, if you want to spice it up a little bit more, grab some garlic powder. This stuff, jeez, this stuff really spices it up. Really gets it nice and tasty. I just like garlic though, to be honest with you. Well, we're gonna stir that up a little bit. Make sure it's all set in. We're just gonna take a little taste of the noodles. Just a little. We gotta blow on it. It's really hot right now. That's some good ramen right there. I'm gonna take a little piece of protein right here with some noodle. Got some extra bonus with it. That's good. You know, this is a good meal. That's all I really got for you right now. I'll probably make another video in the future when I feel like it. I probably won't. I don't know. But yeah, but that was ramen. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that second egg came out perfect. Look at that. Mine just kind of like got, I don't know. It was just like, it was like no.